Hello everyone, I'm your friend Adiraj Pramveer Bhateja. Today I'm going to tell you how to make an instant and very easy anti-aging skin glowing soup in just 15 minutes. But before making it, let me tell you the little facts of this magic soup. Friends, if you drink this skin glowing soup for on regular basis for 15 days, you will feel very energetic and guess what? You don't have to take skin tablets or multivitamin tablets for your daily fatigue. It helps to improve your inner skin glow and it also makes our immunity strong. This soup is enriched with multivitamins as it contains carrot, beetroot and lots of tomatoes. As we all know, these vegetables are enriched with iron, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12 and have an adequate amount of fiber present in it. We have used lots of tomatoes in it. In tomatoes there is a chemical present called lycopene. Friends, lycopene is anti-aging and guess what? It prevents prostate cancer. I really request you to try this soup for once and I am damn sure you all are gonna love it. And if you loved it, then you all know what you have to do. Yes, correct. Please subscribe my channel Frolic Smile and show me your love in comment section. So let's get started. For making skin glowing soup, we will take 1 big bowl of tomatoes, 2 medium sized chopped carrot, 1 chopped beetroot, 2 big glasses of water, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt according to your taste. Put all this mixture in pressure cooker and wait for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, close the stove or induction and let the pressure cooker cool down a little. Friends, now after 3 whistles, we will take out the mixture and grind them in mixer. After grinding the pulp of soup, filter it in strainer. See friends, how delicious our soup is and now it's ready to drink. Friends, keep in mind that whenever you will prepare this soup, you will not add water again. If you want to make it in more quantity, then add water in starting only and take the quantities accordingly. Secondly, whenever you prepare this soup, consume it after making it as at that time it's enriched with efficient amount of vitamins. Please don't keep it and consume it after several hours. Friends, now our healthy vitamin enriched skin glowing anti-aging soup is ready to drink. Make it for once and you will fall in love with this soup forever. And now our magical soup is ready to consume. I hope you all will love it. Thank you.